Welcome to this Specialty Products Company installation video for the 72130 adjustable upper control arms. These arms are used on the Nissan 370Z and the Infiniti G35 and G37 models. Always follow the proper safety precautions of any equipment used in installation of these components. Raise and support vehicle with jack stands. Then remove the front wheel and tire assembly. Remove the pinch bolt and nut holding the upper control arm to the spindle. Then separate the upper control arm from the spindle. Support the spindle so as not to strain the brake lines or ABS wires. Remove the two bolts holding the upper control arm to the body. It may be necessary to loosen the top strut nuts in order to remove the control arm bolts. Gently pry down on the lower control arm to work the bolts past the spring coils. Then remove the stock upper control arm from the vehicle. Using the guide supplied in the installation instructions, position the offset ball joint in the preferred position for camber or caster change. This can be done by positioning the bottom plate on the ball joint in one of 12 different positions. Then lightly tighten the top nut. Make sure the correct arm is installed on each side. They will be marked L and R for left and right. The left side is the driver's side. Install the arm into the vehicle using the two mounting bolts. Do not fully tighten these bolts at this time. Reconnect the ball joint to the spindle assembly. Install the pinch bolt and nut and tighten. Raise the vehicle under the lower control arm to load the suspension. Now tighten the two arm to body bolts. From the top, tighten the strut nuts if they were loosened. Reinstall the tire and wheel assembly. Make sure to torque the lug nuts. To adjust camber, loosen the top nut and slide the ball joint to the desired camber reading. Tighten, then torque the top nut to specifications. Reset front toe, recheck alignment readings, and road test the vehicle.